Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, as promised, I'm going to show you guys how to trim your own hair at home while everyone's quarantined and all the hair salons and barbershops are closed. So if this is something that you want to see how to do, then keep on watching. You're going to need a few things. You're going to need a comb. I'm using this one. You're going to need a pair of hair shears. You can get them from places like Sally's Beauty Salon. I'm sure you can get a cheap pair from Walmart. Mine are not a cheap pair. I've had them since beauty school. I have several pairs, but I'm using this trusty pair today. You're going to need a hair tie, which I have on my wrist. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure your hair is all combed out. I have already straightened it all because I'm doing a dry cut. I find it's a lot easier to do on yourself when it's dry. And I'm just going to really kind of create a part in the center. And I'm going to bring everything into a low ponytail. I'm going to make it really, really tight. I'm going to turn around just so you guys can see. Making sure everything is smoothed out. I'm going to tie it in a hair tie here, right at the bottom of my neck. And I'm going to make it as tight as I can. Now I'm going to take this hair tie and I'm going to pull it straight down. Till I get to the point of how much I want to trim off. I think I'm going to do a little bit more here. Okay, I have it just like that, and I'm going to kind of spin around and look here so I can see what I'm cutting. Alright, so I have that. I'm going to bring it just over to the side here, and I'm going to simply trim that off. Can't really see. Alright. Chip into it. I just cut it to the end of that ponytail. I'll turn around so you can see again. So I just cut it to the end of the ponytail. Now I'm going to take that out. And as you can see, it creates a straight line going across the back. And there I just trimmed my overall length. Now, if you're like me and you have layers in your hair, I'll show you how to fix those up. Going to get my hair, my bangs out of the way. We'll do those after. So I'm just going to take a section of hair straight down. I'm going to comb it out. And I'm going to bring it up to an angle where I can see those layers there. You see that hair that just fell? That's my overall length. That means I'm holding it at a pretty good angle because I don't want to cut that. Now I'm going to chip in to what I have here. Just like so, and I'll let that go, and then I have my layers. I'm going to continue doing that all the way around. So again, just taking a section beside the one I just did. Comb it up at the same angle I just did with that other piece of hair. Wait, you seen that drop again? Now, again, I'm going to just chip in to these layers. Just like so. Now, before I go to like the straight back, I'm just going to do the same thing to this side. So I'm just going to flip those bangs over to that side. Grab a section here. And same thing. Going to comb it up and hold it at that angle. And simply chip into that hair. I'm going to take this part right down the middle of the back of my head, and I'm going to do the same thing. Comb it straight up. To an angle, and then trim that hair. When I say chip in, it means I'm going in with the scissors straight. I'm not going like this and cutting a harsh line. Taking the tip of my scissor and simply chipping into that hair there. And then let it go. My hair is extremely fine, so that's pretty much it for the overall layering and trimming of my hair. Now we get to do some bangs, all right? So I'm going to comb. Now I used to have a full-on bang. I have been growing them out. I do like to be able to flip them to either side, and I don't mind the length that they are right now. So I'm just going to trim them. I'm going to take hair in about a triangle section from here. So I'm going to go down. Yeah, so it looks like about that. Now I'm going to simply what I like to do when I do my own bangs is I'll comb it forward and I'll pull it down, and I'm going to twist it over completely just one time, and then I'm going to continue pulling it down till I get to where I want to trim, and I'm going to go about there. Then I'm just going to again chip in and cut this off. And then when I let it go, I have some trimmed up bangs. Now I'm just going to kind of shake all the excess hair out of my hair. Alright, now I'm going to go in with a little bit of this full dry volume blast from Living Proof. I absolutely love this stuff, and I'm just going to spray it at my roots. In sections. Again, at the crown. I'm just going to work this stuff in with my fingers. And this will give you amazing volume and texture without leaving like gross, sticky residue feeling in your hair. And voila! Your hair is now trimmed. You have all the dead ends out. I'll spin you around here. And you can see my ends look a lot nicer. Everything is going straight across the back. My layers are touched up. And everything looks healthy and happy yet again. I really hope this video can help you guys kind of get in between now until you're able to go see your stylist again. Cut carefully. I can't stress that enough. Take little bits off at a time. You can always go back and take more off, but you can't go back and put it back on. So take little cuts and you should be good. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. If anyone is interested in seeing how to do a man's haircut, leave me a comment down below. I think my husband is due for a haircut soon. So yeah, with all the barbershops being closed, let me know if you want to learn how to do a really easy haircut on your man, on your husband, your boyfriend, your dad, your kids, whichever male in your life you may be cutting. Anyways, guys, thanks again for watching. Please give this video a big like. Don't forget to go and hit that subscribe button. And also hit that little bell if you want to be notified of all my upcoming videos. Till next time, I hope you all have a fabulous day.